Have you ever dreamt of having business in the palm of your hand, but at the same time not being tied to your laptop or stationary computer? Managing bookings directly from your phone is no longer a dream. A free app for MotoPress Hotel Booking is designed especially for hospitality providers to get real-time access to guests and booking information while on the road. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Valerie. You're watching the MotoPress YouTube channel, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to install the app, connect it to your WordPress website, and handle bookings using your iOS or Android device. We're sure this app will make you wonder how you ever worked without it. So buckle up, we're beginning. Before we get started, pay attention that to use the hotel booking application, you're required to have a WordPress website and the MotoPress Hotel Booking plugin version 4.1 or greater installed and activated. By the way, all parts of the tutorial are highlighted so you can navigate through the video timeline and click on the time sequence you're interested in. Let's start with short information about the technology we use for creating hotel booking mobile app. Its name is Flutter. Flutter grabs the attention of many companies and development teams. The MotoPress team is no exception. Without knowing it, you've probably already used the apps made with Flutter. Google Ads, Google Pay, New York Times, Postmuse, Watermaniac, ClusterMe, eBay, Nubank, all these apps are made with Flutter, which is proof of Flutter's uncompromised quality. Flutter is Google's open source technology for creating mobile, desktop, and web apps with a single code base. Unlike the other solutions, Flutter is a complete software development kit. What's innovative, different, and simply better executed about Flutter? One of the main benefits of Flutter-built applications is that they share the code between Android, iOS, and other platforms, eliminating the need to rewrite it from scratch. So we can add new features for hotel booking mobile app much quicker, reducing the time for development from months to weeks. Flutter guarantees high performance on your device. Moreover, Google constantly supports Flutter developers with frequent updates and issue fixes. Flutter is also maintained by a global community of developers. Speaking about developers, MotoPress is inviting and encouraging Flutter developers to participate in the development of our app on GitHub. If you're interested or have any questions about cooperation, feel free to contact us. All the necessary information will be in the description box down below. Now you'll see it won't take more than 5 minutes to install and begin utilizing the app. First, open your Apple App Store or Google Play Market. Touch the Search tab to look for Hotel Booking for WordPress. Here it is. This is what we are looking for. It should be emphasized one more time that the app is absolutely free. Tap the Install button. The process takes some time. After installing and before opening the app, you can look through the app's details. Finally, let's launch the app to connect a website to it. For this, you should enter the domain, key, and secret of your WordPress website. And there is a faster and more convenient option with a QR code for those who don't want to waste their time entering all that stuff. Now I'll show you how to get an API key. Let's jump straight to the dashboard and go to Accommodations, Settings, click on the Advanced tab, and this is where we're going to add a key. Click the Add New button, Enter a description, it can be any custom name, and set permission to read/write. Then click Generate API Key. Done! Now we have a QR code for scanning. Let's not hang around and scan the code. Wow, we see the result in the blink of an eye. Perfect. Now we can view all the menus on the spot and we are ready to test out how the app works. Just look, all your guests are at your fingertips. By scrolling, you get real-time access to all your bookings in the list view. Even without opening an individual booking, you can easily check out the arrival and departure times, define the number of booking, its cost, the date of the booking was made, and its status. The information about the payments is at hand too. By visiting the Payments tab, you'll see the amount of money the guest has paid, which payment method they've used for this, and the payment number, date, and status. Moreover, we also see the number of booking the payment is assigned to. All these at a glance. To see the transaction ID, you'll need to tap and open the payment you are interested in. One more cool feature available with the initial release is filtering. You can sort search results based on booking statuses and date range by applying filters. A couple of touches and the needed reservations are at your disposal. When working with individual bookings, you can check out the guest's contact details. Using built-in quick links, you can instantly contact your customers right from the mobile app by email and by phone, or copy this information. You have access to the reservation details such as the rate and services your guests have selected on the checkout page. You can also find payment details and status. Internal notes left by other staff members or clients can also be viewed in a mobile app. If you accept bookings over the phone, you might want to keep bookings on hand and save guests' contact details straight away after the call, so as not to get double booked. So now I'll show you how to add a new booking using the application. Touch the plus icon, select the date, and choose the accommodation. Since the plugin allows multi-booking, you also have the option to add multiple accommodations to a booking at a time if required. The workflow pretty much reminds adding new bookings manually from the dashboard, doesn't it? But with the application, you don't need to use your PC. You can do it on your phone. We're done. So far, to see whether you received new reservations, you need to hit on the update icon. I almost forgot. Tap the ellipsis icon to see the options on how to change the booking status or delete it. That goes for all bookings, those created within the application and those that were added from the dashboard or by the client. Now we want to share with you our plans for future releases. Note that this is just the first release. The Hotel Booking mobile app is a work in progress. Besides improving and upgrading the core functionality of the Hotel Booking application, one of the priority tasks for our team is to add a feature that will allow pushing notifications on the admin's phone about new bookings. We're sure you can add more ideas to our feature request list. Customer satisfaction is a crucial factor for MotoPress. We always consider our clients' suggestions. Don't hesitate to write your ideas in the comments. Not to miss new features in the future, don't forget to update your app. Remember, updating your apps to the latest version gives you access to the latest features and improves app security and stability. Almost the same rule as with plugins. Speaking about updates, to stay tuned and to be the first who will know about new releases, we recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel and tapping the notification bell. We constantly create useful content on how to use the new cool features of our products efficiently. We also have a community group on Facebook where you can meet new people, share your experience, or get support. So check it out too. So to wrap things up, with the hotel booking application, you can take your office whenever and wherever you are. The app enables you to regulate your day-to-day activities effortlessly while on the move. The app is super simple and easy to manage and gives you access to the most crucial functions, like seeing upcoming bookings or booking history with contact details and payments, or creating new bookings remotely. With our app, you transform your mobile device into your portable hotel reservation logbook, and your business can continue to accept booking requests, for example, via phone. Just give it a try. Download the app onto your device. I hope this tutorial was useful and you learned how to utilize the app, so it will be in good hands. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.